It's time for calendar and weather. And on this 7-day countdown, let's learn together in kindergarten and get ready for first grade. Do you remember the month we're in? I know it starts with J, Jug, J. Let's look back at our seasons and months resource. I heard some of you say it. We are in June, and what number comes after 7? Do you know, mathematicians? Well, think when you're counting. 6, 7, 8. I heard some of you. Let's look at our hundreds chart and double check. Remember, mathematicians use lots of resources, and the hundreds chart is an excellent one to use to solve all kinds of problems. If we start on the number 7 and hop one hop, the number after is 8. Let's get that number and add it to the calendar. We are on June 8th, 2023. And do you recall the day of the week we're on today? I know it starts with TH, tongue by your teeth, Which day of the week begins with a TH? Do you remember? Well, let's look back at our days of the week resource and figure it out together. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Did you see it? It starts with TH. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Here it is, Thursday. Today is Thursday. And if today is Thursday, what was yesterday? Do you know? The day before Thursday is Wednesday. Wednesday. Did you remember that? If you did, go ahead and pat yourself on the back. Let's get that word. Yesterday was Wednesday. And if yesterday was Wednesday and today is Thursday, then what's tomorrow? The day after Thursday is Friday. Tomorrow will be Friday. And I feel, Elizabeth Elephant fell behind me. My goodness, Elizabeth. Come back up here and please do not fall for calendar and weather. So glad Elizabeth didn't get hurt. All right, what season are we in? Well, look at the clues on the wall. We are still in the season called spring. Now, trivia question, class family. What date does June switch from the season of spring to the season called summer? Do you know? We'll say the date out loud. June 21st. So June 21st, June will switch from the season of spring to summer. All right, class family, let's describe the weather for today in Northern Virginia. The weather is sunny, cloudy, rainy, snowy, or windy. What do you think? Well, it is between cloudy and sunny. What's that called? That's right, partly cloudy. Let's get partly cloudy. High 79 degrees Fahrenheit, low 55 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, is that hot, cold, warm, or cool? It is going to get warm outside. It is. And there is a warning. There's a haze. There are fires that happened in Canada, and there is a weather advisory because the air quality is not good outside. Many people are wearing a mask, okay? And I know that allergies will certainly be affected. My goodness, with the pollen and with all of the smoke from the fires from up north. My goodness, I hope everybody's okay. I know it is really bad out there for breathing, and we have to do indoor recess because it's not safe for us to play outside for that long of a period of time. All right, yesterday was 172. What number comes after this? I heard some of you, 173. Let's look at our hundreds chart. If we start on the 72 and hop one hop. All right, here's the 72, hop one hop. The number after is indeed 73. Let's make this big number and say it together. before we put it on our place value chart. Are you ready, mathematicians? All right, say it with me. 173. We have 107 tens, 3 ones. Oh, on this 7-day countdown, let's get a counting rod and add it to the ones pocket. And now, let's start with our 100. How many hundreds, mathematicians? 100. Get the 100 in your brain. Oh, I heard them in here. Did you hear them say 100? Get that 100 in your brain. Let's put the 100 back in the hundreds pocket. Now, let's get the 7 tens to put with the 100. Did you keep the 100 in your brain? All right, let's skip count by tens 7 times and put it with the 100. Are you ready, mathematicians? 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160, 170. Put the 7 tens back in the tens pocket. Now let's get the 3 ones and put it with the 170. Are you ready? 171, 172, 173. Oh my goodness, so many days learning together in kindergarten. And at this point, class family, I know we have 7 days, but it's pretty much less than that with the 2-hour early release the last day of school. It's more like 6.5. All right, we're going to pull straight down for our tally mark. Now let's skip count by fives. Dun, 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 34 times. And then put the 3 ones with it. Use your finger to point. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. 105, 110, 115, 120, 125, 130, 135, 140, 145, 150, 155, 160, 165, 170, 171, 172, 173 days learning together in kindergarten. Let's write the date. You need something to write on and something to write with. Starting with your capital letter J. Good writers and mathematicians capitalize the first letter in each month of the year because it's special and important. Let's write the date and then practice reading it out loud. Capital J-U-N-E, finger space, write the number 8, comma, finger space, the years 2023. 6th month, 8th day. The year is 2023. Oh, it's so hard to believe, class family. The countdown is on and the countdown is real. 7 more days in kindergarten, and then you'll be ready for 1st grade. Write the date down and practice reading it out loud.